आपने मुझको इतनी जल्दी क्यों उठाया? आपकी स्कूल थी?
हाँ, मैंने उठाई। पार्टी तू not a real.
It's a party school. It's a real school, but आज आपकी पार्टी है वहाँ पे. Changed your dress? Show me your bag. Turn around. आपकी बैग. Hi. How was your day? Did you enjoy? Come. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new vlog. Today we are going to the mall और अभी हम भैया वो पिक करने वाले हैं रास्ते से. वो अभी अपने रेस्टोरेंट पे है. We are gonna pick him up and then we'll go to the mall. So I need to buy something for myself. मेरा बर्थडे आ रहा है तो मुझे अपने आप को कुछ गिफ्ट करना है and I'm gonna take you guys along. Also guys, we are going for celebrating Pratik's 25th birthday. ये मेरे कॉलेज का एरिया आ गया. मैं यहाँ पे काफी टाइम के बाद आई हूँ यहाँ पे. It's my college, Elisa. Oh, I miss this place. So we are in Kasauli. We have just reached here.
मुझे रूम में तो नहीं हाथों दिखाना.
मुझको दिखाना. आपने रूम देख क्या?
हाँ, बस आपने नहीं.
मैंने नहीं देखा. चलो दिखाऊं. बोले क्या होता है? नहीं अरिश्का नो. चलो गुड नाइट कर दो. गुड नाइट. हाय गाइस, वी जस्ट केम बैक फ्रॉम मंदिर विजिट करके आए हम और अभी इट्स प्रतीक बर्थडे टुडे. उसी ओकेजन के लिए आए.
बाइक के साथ हैप्पी बर्थडे टू
makeup, and the first thing that I have been doing these days is to apply a good aloe vera gel, and I have been using the Mamaearth aloe vera aloe ashwagandha gel with aloe vera and ashwagandha along with this face wash. Again the aloe vera face wash with aloe vera and ashwagandha. This is what I have been using lately because summers are here and so is the worrying about skin damage and the harsh rays of sun. So to protect myself and to maintain that glow and hydration, I have been using these products and they work amazingly well because aloe vera soothes, hydrates and moisturizes your skin, and ashwagandha on the other hand gives you that youthful glow. So it's perfect for summers. and in this scorching heat all you need is some cooling effect on the skin. Also, these products are made safe certified, which means there's no toxins or chemicals. They are made up of all natural ingredients. Mamaearth is an Indian brand which is plastic positive. Yeah, they also believe in this Plants Goods initiative where they link your order to the tree that they plant. So yeah, in that way they are also contributing to the environment. And if you wish to check out these products, you can always use my discount coupon code, which is Arshiya2022 at 20% off at mamaearth.in. And I'll keep all the other details in the description box. They have their app, official app, so you can also shop from there and avail great discounts and offers.